About 3 years ago, I was sat in our little office in Liverpool and I tried ChatGPT for the very first time. I was absolutely amazed that you could have a conversation with an online person, a digital robot, and you would get coherent answers. You would get a conversation which could go anywhere and could basically answer anything for you. It's come on a lot since, and since then, we've spent the last 3 years working out what is the best use case for this in a deskless team. How can this technology actually make the lives of deskless and frontline workers easier? We've tried a lot over the last 3 years. We've tried chatbots. We've tried other ways of sort of synchronizing work and making work a lot easier. And over the last 12 months, we think we've absolutely nailed it. Let me show you. So we believe that if AI is to be of most use, it should be built into the workflow, into the things that staff in organizations are actually doing, not a feature which is bolted onto the side and not a chatbot which you would chat and get answers with every now and then, but let's face it, you would forget existed most of the time. We believe that AI should be able to make decisions and take actions independently. So let me show you what I mean. This is our homepage, and anybody can go and create an automated workflow on our homepage. If I click on this little input here, we can go ahead and we can ask AI to create a workflow for us. So let's say, create a workflow which my staff can use to accept or reject incoming deliveries. If a delivery is rejected, there should be a place to record faults. And I also want a place where the driver can add a signature to confirm or verify the delivery. Okay, so that will create a workflow which I've never seen before, a brand new one. It will be created on our Canvas builder. So this is a really flexible place where you can start simple and then make much more complex and automated workflows over time. And let's see what this has been making for us. So these are all of our steps which have been made, our different types of workflow steps. And we've got date and time, user, great, so we know who accepts the the delivery and when. Text, great, so we know what the delivery was. Driver signature, what we asked for, brilliant. Then we've got some options about whether it was accepted or not. And then we've got some branching as well. So if the delivery was accepted, then great, there's nothing more to do, just a little bit of guidance. If the delivery was not accepted, then we've got some extra things going on here. So we've got some requests about the fault, maybe a fault photo, and then a bit more guidance as well. So this is just a really quick example of the power that we have when we're creating these workflows. Now I can click on this little dummy phone on the right hand side, and if I do that, I can actually see and test exactly what my staff would see when they were actually completing the workflow. So this is a really simple example. I could go into a lot more depth here. I could add some integrations into the right-hand side where we could get the AI to actually post things into other apps or bring information in. But this is a really simple and hopefully a powerful example of the direction which we believe AI can have the most impact on teams, which is evaluating things in the work, making decisions, and taking actions.